All right, guys. So, what's the secret to getting viral or going viral? Well, there's actually no secret to it. I remember back in the day, you used to be able to pay an agency, and that agency would essentially contact a bunch of influencers and say, hey, here's some stuff, spread it around the internet. And of course, that would go viral. That doesn't really work these days. And it's probably not a bad thing, I think. But can you still go viral? Well, the short answer is absolutely you can. How do you go about doing it? Well, first and foremost, what you need to do is basically just leverage off content that has already gone viral. Of course, if thousands of people are already sharing that content, it makes sense for you to do something similar, right? Anyway, for those of you that are new here, by the way, my name is Jamie G. I cover internet marketing, affiliate marketing, how to get started online, and pretty much all things digital. If that's of interest to yourself, I'd love to have you guys join me. Feel free to hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to smash that bell icon to stay up to date with everything I'm putting out. All right, so let's just cover why you would want something to go viral anyway. Why is it such a good thing? And by the way, stick around to the end. I've got something pretty damn cool lined up for you guys with a bunch of stuff that's going to massively help you out in terms of this entire process. Okay, so anyway, why would you want to go viral? Well, if you can have a piece of content, let's just say for argument's sake, it is an image or a video. I'll go with video because video's growing in basically everywhere. The use of video is, I guess, something like I think it's over 80% of all internet traffic is actually video at the moment. So, needless to say, if you're not jumping on that trend, you're kind of missing out, right? So, anyway, let's talk about video. Why would you want your video or a video to go viral? Well, if you have a piece of content that 100,000 people see, do you think that there's a chance that some of those people may be interested in that content? Do you think there's maybe a chance that some of those people might end up clicking on a link within that piece of content? And what happens when they click on that link? It's your link and it leads to your affiliate offer via, say, ClickBank, for example, or a CPA offer where you get $1 to $5 per lead, or it goes to an Amazon offer for the latest whatever product or book or whatever, and you get remunerated based on that. So that is why it's so important. It's like instant free traffic, right? So that is why virality is so important. Having said that, yes, it's a little bit hard to just create a piece of content that's unique and make it go viral. But what you can do is leverage off content which has already gone viral. Okay. Now, to do this, all you need to do is jump on YouTube. In this case, I'm actually using Facebook. I suggest you jump along, play along, and fill in the blanks where you will. So I've chosen the topic of dog training, not for any specific reason per se, just because it was a kind of a random thing that I thought of. I know that there are actually products out there. If you jump onto clickbank.com, there's a whole bunch of digital products relating to things like dog training, or how to get your dog to stop barking when they're at home, how to train your dog, how to groom your dog, how to care for your Pomeranian, all that sort of stuff, right? So there are a bunch of products out there. Now, I would suggest at this point that you avoid the make money online niche because it is ridiculously saturated with stuff. And I think people are a little bit banner blind when it comes to the products that are getting promoted. So, what you're better off doing is focusing on another niche. So, dog training, cats is another one. Everyone loves cats. Well, sorry, I'll rephrase that. Some people love cats. Some people are really passionate about the type of breed of cat. Of course, you can go specific to breeds, things like golf, sports of any kind, NFL. I don't know what else is there, basketball, NBA. You name it. There's probably viral content relating to that, and there's probably almost categorically going to be a product that you can promote as an affiliate with that particular niche and industry, right? But make sure it's something that you're interested in. So all you would need to do, and sorry, I'm talking a little bit longer than I expected at this point, but all you need to do is jump across and create. In fact, all you need to do is go to this page here and create a page. You need to create a page related to the interest in question. And why would you do that? Well, you need to refer people back to something, okay? So then you can put all your links in there. You can put all your contacts us and all that sort of stuff, and start building up a bit of a list and whatnot as well. But of course, we don't need to go down that path. What we want to do is actually find the viral content first and foremost. All right, so I've just chosen dog training, like I say, just as a random thing. Now you can click on photos first and foremost. All right, now look at how cute that is. Oh, all right. So here we got public photos, and you've just got a couple of random things here. So obviously some products. We've got dog climbing down the ladder, which I think is ridiculous, but good on him. And here we go. You know, kind of a cute one there. You must be my backyard, whatever. I don't know, something probably witty underneath that. I'm assuming. One for Caesar. It's kind of cool. So you would just go through and you basically, I would, if I was doing this for real, I would just click on see all. Now, you're probably thinking at this point, hang on, Jamie, like, it sounds great, man, but like, aren't you just plagiarizing people's stuff? Well, actually, no, you're not, because two reasons. A, it's the freaking internet. Like, there's nothing sacred on the internet. Nothing's original, right? But the thing is that if you see something that, for example, is like this image, just for argument's sake, then there's nothing wrong with you crediting the page. Like, you know, they're probably quite fortunate that you would actually uh, credit that page, right? So you could just go, like, if I was to click on that, I'm not going to right now, but if I was to click on that, there would be an option there, you know, and I'd actually see what page it is. And then all I'd need to do is just tag the page into my post, done and dusted. But of course, you want to put that in the bottom. You want to put your links to your products and to your opt-in page, your web page, your blog, sorry, your affiliate links, all that sort of stuff. You want to put that at the top of the post, okay? So that way, yes, you're getting credit, but they're more likely to click on your links first, right? So anyway, that's photos. You can also come over here to videos. And it's the same process. Now, check that one out. 2.4, no, 2.74 million views, okay? That's kind of cool, all right? Kind of cool. And as you can see, this page is actually really specific. It's a good example. Belgian, I don't even know how to say that. Malinois lovers. Is that a word? Is that how you say it? Malinois. Anyway, whatever. So as you can see, this has been specifically set up for this particular breed of dog. I'm assuming it's a dog. Looks like a dog to me. Okay, so basically that's a really prime example. Someone's probably making quite a bit of cash off this because this is clearly a type of breed that people are interested in. And here you go. Here's something really interesting. Get rid of that. You've got the credit Roy Cohen. So this person is actually credited. That's really annoying. This person has actually credited that person with the content, right? So there's nothing stopping you from grabbing this. Now, one of the things you'll find is a little bit frustrating is that you can't actually directly download from Facebook, okay? So yes, you can go through the search process, but you can't actually download it, all right? So that's the idea. You go through and you can, you know, a little bit hard because you can't filter all of them as well. So you know, you only got 700 views for that one, and then 2,000 for that one, and then, you know, 2.7 million for that one. But do you think that if you were doing this process and you were finding a way to download these, and of course, like I say, it is a little bit limited of what you can and can't download, do you think it's likely that some of the people that are watching this content, the 2.7 million views that's had, do you think some of those are likely to click on a particular link that you have in the actual content itself? The answer is absolutely yes. Now, if you're still with me at this point, like I say, I do have something pretty awesome lined up for you guys. I'm just going to show you now. It's actually a piece of software, and what this will do is essentially do a search for you and automatically find the viral content that you can really easily just use and download yourself, okay? So here I've just done dog training once again, just as an example. And here you go. These are the ones that you can use. 514,000 views, 439 shares, 3,673 likes, 200 comments. Do you think it's possible that if you had this particular piece of content on your page, and even if you were crediting this particular person with the original piece of content, then some of those people of the 514,000 views might end up wanting to buy or wanting to at least click on your link to see what's up? The answer is absolutely, okay? So this piece of software is called Enigma. And look, it's a bit of a no-brainer if you ask me. You're looking at an investment of about $12.95. And I've actually got a ton of bonuses I'm going to add in with you guys if you do choose to grab a copy. I'll basically explain that in a moment. But if you do want to do that, all you need to do is have a look down below this video. There's actually a link there, and that's going to link through to the page I put together for you guys to help you out. All right, so here you go. All these ones, you got different things there, 35,000 views, 33,000 views. Of course, you don't use the same person over and over again. If it's just one person creating all the content, you don't just go, cool, I'm just going to swipe all this stuff. you want to mix it up. You want to find the stuff that's already viral. Like I say, you want to credit that person. Now, with Enigma, it's a piece of software. It's just recently been launched, and it does have a full suite of training in it that will show you exactly how to monetize these videos as well. So it's already taking all the content that's already gone viral, show you exactly how to monetize it for you, and basically give you the software as well, right? So pretty cool stuff. So if I was just to grab this, all I do is just click on here to actually download it. It's really that simple. And then all I need to do is then upload it to my newly formed page. Like I say, Enigma will actually take you right through that process. And it is backed by a 30-day money-back guarantee, of course, as these all are. Now, if you're still here, I appreciate it. Let's check out my bonus page for you guys. All right. So this is a loophole, okay? So this is something that basically it's something these guys have discovered, and the software will go out. It'll actually find all that viral content for you, and basically put it together in that piece of software, as I mentioned just before. So essentially, if you guys do choose to get it, and you jump onto this link below this video, and you see this page, all you need to do is, if you are going to grab a copy, is click this link here, any of these green buttons, basically. And I'll show you, it's going to open up a sales page in a moment. All right, so if you click on any of the green buttons in that bonus page, it's going to bring you over to the sales page here. And of course, if you do end up purchasing, all you need to do is click on there, like $12.95, not exactly a bank breaker. You're going to get access to all of the bonuses. I'm just going to go back over the bonus page in a moment, and the bonuses will be automatically delivered to you at the end once you've gone through the checkout process. All right. So look, it is a loophole. It's not something that's going to remain open forever, and at the moment is perfectly ethical, perfectly legal, but it is likely to shut. So I do suggest that you jump on it as soon as you can. So I've just got a bit of information about the actual software itself, how that works, but and also the actual funnel itself. Check that out if you like. Now, here's the cool part. If we go down here, these are all the bonuses you guys are going to get. I'll put these together just for you. So Facebook Freedom Formula is going to basically show you how to grow a six-figure business right here on good old Facebook. Not right here, but you know what I mean. Right on Facebook. I've got another thing that actually shows exactly how to go viral and how to basically monetize that viral traffic. We've got something called Facebook Financial Flow. We've got the Awakening. We've got all sorts of stuff. This is all here for you, automatically delivered on the bonus page, plus a whole bunch of other stuff here for you guys if you choose to take action on this. And like I say, on the thank you page, you're going to be greeted with this big green, blue button there. That's where they're going to be. And of course, there's my goofy face down the bottom. Good times. All right, so that's it from me today, guys. Like I say, if you don't want to go through this process of shortcutting it, of course, that's absolutely fine. All you need to do, I'm just going to go back over to Facebook real quick. All you need to do is just find the actual content that's already viral, tag the person in it so you're not plagiarizing their content, and that will allow you to put your own links. Now, of course, you can't just directly download. You have to find a way around that, okay? Anyway, so that's it from me today, guys. Hopefully that all made sense. Leave a comment below. Let me know what you thought. Otherwise, hopefully you guys get some value out of it, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks very much. Bye-bye.